Hi everybody, today is July 13th, 2020, and today I want to do a little review. On last Friday, I released version 0.6.2 of Guildflow, and with that I want to kind of showcase a little bit as what changed. So the first big thing is we now have a public changelog. You can see it here. It's actually linked in the footer, so if you go under product, you'll see changelog there. And I've included the changelog pretty much everything that I've kept track of, including some of the previous versions. They aren't as organized as the current version, so if you look at the new version, I'm trying to break up the changelog items with certain categories. So basically we've got known bugs, the manager and group site, things that are specific to the group site, things that are specific to the manager, and then some behind the scenes stuff for people who are particularly interested in it. But specifically, I want to go over a couple features. So the first big thing is passwords. A lot of this release has to do with passwords. And so in the previous version, when new accounts were created, you were given a temporary password of, I think, like change me 123 or something. There you go, change me 1234. So now we generate proper random passwords, which is great. We've also added in the ability to reset passwords. So if you go in here, so this is the Philly Movie Club. This is like a fake little group I run. If you go to sign in, you'll see a link to reset password. And you can type in an email here, type in my own. And it says if your email is in our system, you will receive instructions to reset your password shortly. So, because we're in development, we can take a peek at that email. You can see this. You can reset your password by visiting the link below. So I will copy that and go into here. And so with the reset password link, you can create a new password. I will just create password 123. And we'll confirm. And I don't want to save it. Password reset successful. For security reasons, you must sign in with the new password manually. Sorry about that, but that is like, trying to follow industry guidelines for things, and that was in the list, so we're going to honor that. So I'll use the new password, and I will log in, and you can see now that I'm logged in, I can see the details of the RSVP and all those types of details that you normally don't see if you're not signed in. The next thing I want to talk a little bit about is member profiles. So inside here, we see a list of all the members, and then if you click on a specific member, like myself, you'll see my name, my kind of group title, which I'm the owner of this group, and then in account tools, you'll see edit member profile. So if you hit this, you'll get a form where you can edit your name, your last name, and your bio. This bio does allow Markdown content, so you can do like a heading 2 and a simple link. http mikezornick.com, and you can save your profile, and you'll have a little profile there. And I would encourage people who are creating, books, book clubs, or different types of groups. The organizer should generally have a suggestion for how to fill out their profile. Maybe even just like set the tone yourself, set a profile answering some questions, and then encourage your members to kind of follow that format. We might have more tooling about that in the future, but that's the general guidance there. But yeah, you can edit your profile. So now all members can have a profile. Now, if you're an admin and you go to a profile, you will see an edit member profile. And then when you click on it, you can edit another member's profile. But like the warning says up here, generally speaking, it's better for an admin to ask a member to update the profile. So if there's some problem with the language or the links or any issue of that case, the admin has control over the data. But again, we would encourage you to kind of just tell the member to update the profile themselves. But it is there if you need it. Those are the big ones. If you go back to the changelog, you can kind of look at a lot of little bugs and typos and things of the other that we fixed. That's it for now. But yeah, I'm happy that, we got the release out and we're publishing the changelog now for people who really want to follow along. If you have any feedback about a feature or a missing feature, let me know. Other than that, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.